Item number 7.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General. Oh, you had to, you had to, you had to.
I think I have to look.
Okay.
My lord, the state has come up with that.
Just remind us of what had happened on the last occasion.
My lord, actually, in terms of the Supreme Court judgment, more particularly in the review,
Vishwanath.
Vishwanath,
Hmm.
those who have, my lord, 18 months diploma and those who are on service on a particular date, that is 10/8/17.
Not all 18 months. With that particular
Yes.
appointment advertisement.
Yes.
Correct?
They are eligible to apply.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, now the present dispute is, in spite of the Supreme Court clear direction, state has come up with a notice whereby, apart from the two requirements of having the diploma and being in service on 10/8/17, we are also supposed to, my lord, satisfy the authority regarding our above status by way of furnishing certain information. We say these are all onerous and these are arbitrary. Now, why we are saying so, my lord?
Hmm.
We have filed one additional affidavit.
Have you
where-
given a copy to Mr. Saikia?
Yes. Long back, my lord. Now, if your lordship would kindly come to that additional affidavit at page number 461.
Is the same affidavit which says compilation of document.
No, my lord, it is in a separate additional affidavit filed in the writ appeal. And the running page, it starts at page number 451. I'll have your kind attention to page 461, my lord. What process we had undergone while, my lord, applying for registration, that itself will satisfy that, my lord, we meet all the requirements. There can be no manner of doubt that we were in service. If your lordship would kindly come to page number 461, the heading is National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS portal for online registration and monitoring of the untrained in-service teacher. Now, if your lordship would kindly come to page 462, a 1.1, registration by untrained teachers having UDI score. We do not fall in this category. Now, my lord will kindly come to the next page, 463. 1.2, this is important as far as we are concerned. Registration by untrained teachers without having UDI score. So, teacher will register by providing the following information, etc., etc. Then, my lord will kindly come to page number 464. 1.3, amongst others, my lord, entry by the untrained teachers. If your lordship would kindly come to Roman 17. Date of appointment, day, month, year. Then, my lord will kindly come to page 465. 2.2. A registration by principal of the school without having UDI score. So basically, it is the duty of the principal. Then, if your lordship would kindly come to page 466. 2.4. Authentication of teachers' record by principal of the school. All the data of teachers registered with this UDI score or with the same school name of which he is principal will be displayed in a grid form with authentication button. Then, my lord will kindly come to the next page, 3.2 and 4. Login by the state nodal officer. Once state nodal officer registers then she can log in into the system by providing the email ID and the password given during registration in the previous state. Now, this is important. The state nodal officer can view all registration data of untrained teachers of the particular state. The data can be viewed district-wide. Then it is followed by, my lord, MIS report. Based on the above registration data, various MIS reports will be generated. Now, it could be state-wise, district-wise, it is district-wise, school-wise of untrained teachers. So, my lord, while we registered for the diploma, my lord, we have undergone this, which clearly reveals that we were in service on 10/8/2017, and there is no dispute that we have 18 months diploma. So, in this situation, my lord, whether the further prescription now, which is thought to be envisaged by the state, can be said to be a reasonable or a rational exercise of power. So this was the process we had undergone while seeking registration. It is in this situation, my lord, I made my submission on last occasion also. Per se, the prescription in the impugned communication of 17/6/25 may not appear to be arbitrary. But if we look at the background, attending facts and circumstances, my lord, it is really unreasonable. Why we are saying so, my lord? I'll just give you examples. If the lordships would kindly take my writ appeal, my lord. Please come to page 17, my lord. Or rather, page 18. Page number 18 in the writ appeal, my lord. Please come to the first subpara. It is pertinent to mention that at the relevant point of time, certain schools, particularly in case of appellants, about 68 did not possess permanent UDI schools. In such instances, specific one-time UDI schools were generated by the concerned block elementary education officer. Government of Assam, under the direction of NIOS, after conducting necessary verification of service record and field inquiry, these one-time UDI codes were thereafter used for registering the appellants in D.EL.ED course. However, for reasons best known to the respondent authorities, those particular UDI codes have since been deactivated, rendering the corresponding data inaccessible to the appellant. Consequently, although the appellants
I remember Advocate General making an objection that if it has been deactivated, you would be having the number of UDIs. The number, code. You must be having that number.
Yes, my lord, there
What
are
is
three
that number?
There are three categories. I'll give the example, my lord. There are three categories of person. First is, my lord, it was auto-generated and schools are running, but there is no record. That is one category. Second category is, my lord, cases where school have UDIs, but records not uploaded in the UDIs data. Then the third category is, I'll give the example, my lord, I brought it, that UDIs was auto-generated, but school is closed. For example, if your lordships would kindly take the writ petition for a moment, my lord, I'm giving an example of appellant number 15. She is Jyotis Mita Haloi.
No, no,
Please.
who appears for NIOL?
No, notice has been issued.
Notice has been,
No,
no notice has been issued, my lord, till date.
NIOS will be having the.
Yes, measure says. They will have their measure say in this case.
NIOS is a central government agency.
Yes.
We can ask the central government, Mr.
Yes, standing council can, yes.
Please, Mr. Advocate General, could you please send in for the
Yes,
central government standing
I
out?
said I got that.
Now, we want the main person.
Yes, my lord, they're necessary part.
Ready, he'll teach us part, necessary part. Mr. Gupta,
In respect of NIOS, there is a standing council.
they have a separate standing council.
Lordship.
Who is he?
R. Bora, Ranu Bora.
Call him. Can you just, Mr. Gogoi, can you do this work for the court? We will hear at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
ভালো